this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. So you can see on the screen the location, and there is a fire attractions and landmark also. And you can find more details on the reviews online and its review rating is 6.8, which is the pleasing. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Credit cards that reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Be safe, be happy.